Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sync your Blink Sync Module 2, step by step. First, make sure your Sync Module 2 is plugged in and has a solid blue and solid green light, indicating it's ready. Then, open the Blink Home Monitor application on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap the plus icon or the Add Device option to begin the setup process. This initial step ensures your module is powered and the app is ready. Next, the application will ask you to choose the type of device you are adding. Select Blink Sync Module from the options presented. You will then be prompted to scan the QR code. This code is conveniently located on the back of your Sync Module 2. If scanning is difficult, you can always choose to manually enter the serial number, which is printed just below the QR code. Now, it's time to connect your Sync Module 2 to your home Wi-Fi network. The application will display a list of available networks. Confirm that the network name shown matches your personal Wi-Fi. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password into the provided field. Double-check for any typos, as an incorrect password will prevent connection. The application will then work to establish a secure link. With your Sync Module 2 successfully connected, the final step is to add your Blink cameras. The application will guide you through pairing each camera one by one. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve inserting batteries and pressing a sync button on the camera. Once all your cameras are added, your complete Blink Home security system will be fully operational and ready to protect your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.